Shall we check what's inside? Still like new, only 50 years old. What's up, guys? Here we are with our new bicycle. So it's an Eddy Merckx, I believe, and it's looking fantastic and it's orange. The only thing we have to change is maybe the handlebars. Yeah, clean it a little bit, give it a nice service, and then we can sell it or even keep it. But if I keep it, then Jennifer is going to be a little bit mad on me, I believe. Bought it for 120 bucks, absolute steal. And look how much space there is. You can fit in really big tires, at least in the front, in the rear. And the rear, there's also a lot of space left. So at least 30cc tires is what you can fit on here. Also the chrome parts, not rusty whatsoever. So lots of fun parts. Yeah, let's get home now. What's up, guys? Welcome to a new episode. In this video we're going to take a look at this 1970s Eddy Merckx road bicycle. And if you don't know who Eddy Merckx was, well, I can help you out. Eddy Merckx was a Belgian road cyclist and still is. He still lives. Very successful in the Tour de France and many other prestigious races. And later on he also had an own bicycle brand. This is one of his replicas. It looks really nice for a 50-year-old bicycle. And I couldn't find any spots of rust. The paint looks in still decent condition. Here you can see Eddy Merckx at the front. There's a nice sticker here. And here says Tour de France. So very nice. The handlebars are made in Italy. We have Weinmann brakes, so not too bad stuff. Then we have simplex gearing, which is, not high-end stuff, but still does the job. We have a nice leather saddle, which looks like it's also 50 years old. There are some spots of rust, so we have to rub this down. Shouldn't be too much of a worry. And also, maybe we can refurbish this leather saddle with some polish. But what we have to do now is wrap the handlebar tape. And therefore I bought, just some nice white handlebar tape. Only cost me 13 bucks. And I got this for 120 bucks. When I saw it, I just had to buy it. And I think we can even make a nice profit off it. There's not too much to do. Just get rid of a few not so nice plastic parts. And here's a random saddlebag. So we're gonna put these out first. Then we're gonna wrap the handlebar tape. Without further ado, let's get cracking and remove some of the uglier parts, which I don't think should be on this bike. But one funny thing is there's also, Cateye Cordless bike computer on there. So I don't know how old this is, but maybe it's also from the 90s. So we're gonna leave that on because it's just, it's a cool thing to have. Okay, let's first of all get rid of this. What else? This one here. Okay, just pops up. All right. Oh, shall we check what's inside? Oh, wow. Some ancient fix if you have a flat. Okay, looks still like new, only 50 years old. What else? Okay, a bone key. In Germany we say Knochenschlüssel, but this also looks very old, but I need one actually, because I always seem to, break these two in half, putting too much force on them. That's nice, an ancient tool, almost.
Loads. Okay, more patches. Oh, nice. Some levers even for the tires. Awesome stuff.
There's the Cateye Cordless computer, cycle computer, unbelievable stuff. Oh, there's this is great, guys. 1994. This Cateye Cordless bike computer is from 1994. It says unbelievable stuff, and it was bought somewhere in Belgium. This is incredible. Whew. Okay, how's the bike looking now? Removed some of the plastic here, removed this bag. Looking much better already, I feel. And also the handlebar tape, which we're gonna rewrap. I've already removed this one here. So let's remove the other side, which is not going to be easy, I feel. And this handlebar tape also looks like it's 50 years old. Jesus. This is disgusting, actually. Okay guys, there we have it. The wrapped handlebar tape in white, and I think it looks pretty damn good. Perfectly for this bike and for the era, which is the 1970s. This white handlebar tape just set the orange color of this bike up even more. So that's why I went for it. Because the orange, yeah, at some parts it's like still shiny and so, but it could use a nice repowder coat, but that's obviously would cost too much. It would cost even as much as we paid for the bike, if not more. So with the white handlebar tape it looks really good. However, the hoods, they are starting to peel away or break away, so we have to replace them before selling them, but they only cost 10 bucks, and I will do that later. Other than that, it's not much to do. The brakes are still really good. I just adjusted them a little bit, but the braking power is actually pretty good with these Weinmann brakes, so there's no issue. Pretty good to go. I can make pictures now and I can sell this to get some money back in my bank account, which is also very important to be able to do these kind of videos. So without further ado, there's nothing left to do than get this bike out and try it out. Let's go. And as always, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to this channel. It really means a lot and really helps me continue putting out this work, refurbishing old steel bicycles. So thank you very much, and there's much more to come. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video very soon. Peace out for now. Now, of course, the camera battery died with the last word. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next bicycle restoration video very soon. Peace out for now. Bye.